So it is exceptionally windy and noisy right now, but we are here at 319 Mortimer. So Mortimer Street, if you're unfamiliar, semi-major street within the city. But if you've got your ear to the ground, this is one of the most exciting projects. It's a condominiumized fourplex, and we don't see many of this. So I'm going to go in today, get a little bit of a tour, walk everybody through this project. I think it's anybody who's into the smaller development is going to be very excited about this. Okay, inside out of the cold here. You can see here separate gas metering, 4 units. There's also separate metering on the opposite side of this wall underneath the carport. Separate panel, 100 amp separate service. We've got storage down here, just a whole bunch of different little storage cubbies. This all coming off the main. You've got a tankless water heater in here and a manifold for what looks to be gas, I think. Gas manifold there. And just this is the stuff that all of us nerds really like. Got the water distribution here, all in smart meters. So it looks like completely separate water as well. And there's a sump system here. Cool. Going back up through the main property. So we've got a dining area here. Into the powder room. Then we've got the kitchen. Because this is condominiumized, it has its own turnaround warranty. This looks like it's installed a little bit high because the bumpers are still here. Minor thing. Separate HVAC. That's great. Regular HVAC unit. Interesting that it's lifted. I guess they did this to provide a gravity run for the furnace, but it is a HVAC here. And then we've got access to outdoor space. Got the deck, compressor for the AC here. Nice. Nice little unit. Now let's head upstairs, see what we got for bedrooms. So up the stairs here. Again, we're in the unit 1 of this condo. We've got the primary here, walk-in closet, vanity, shower, a linen closet here too. I've got the master bedroom at the back. Sorry, primary bedroom at the back. Look out into the garden suite there. Coming back through the property. Got the second bedroom on this side. This is a washer dryer. And the second bedroom, also has its ensuite, a little bit smaller. Very nice bonus to have though, especially in a property this size. Room's a bit smaller, I'd say maybe like a 10 by 9. Overlooks Mortimer, good insulation on the windows. Hearing just a little bit of road noise, but actually quite little. And we've got a closet here. Overall, they've done well with the layout. It's pretty efficient. Ceiling heights are all good. I think we're about maybe 8.5 feet on this level. Cool, let's check out the other units.